Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. The electric power steering fuse, what you can guys expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram here. What you need to do, open the hood. The first fuse that we need to check, guys, okay, will be under the hood, okay, and that's your car battery, okay. Here, guys, on the car battery in front of it, you have the main engine fuse box. Press these two taps at the same time, open. On the inside, you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here for the electric power steering pump, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check one more. Now guys, by the way, make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you a quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here, guys, for the electric power steering pump, if you come right here, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 78, right here, that one. Then, what we need to do, okay, we need to come under the hood, here, guys, okay, on your car battery. Check this thing out. On the positive terminal, you may have some fuses. They may look different for the years, but most of them will look like this one. Okay, you may have up to 3 different fuses. Most of the times there will be 250 amps, that's a fuse, 125 and 100. The one that you need to check is that 125 amp fuse, but test all of them for a peace of mind. That will be the fuses that you need to check for electric power steering. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.